Hi friends, it's Miss Rose from the Grange Park Public Library. There are a lot of exciting things happening at our library this summer. Our building is undergoing construction, hence our handy hard hats. And we've created a summer reading theme that fits perfectly. It's called Rebuild and Read. Our program runs from June 1st through July 31st. Here's Miss Margaret to talk about our baby reading program.
Thanks, Miss Rose. This is our Baby Builders reading log for this summer. All you have to do is complete the activities on each of the blocks and circle the letters once they're finished. Once you completed all 9 activities, just bring it into the children's department and we'll give you a board book prize. It's that easy, and it's a great way to build reading skills. Now here's Miss Lydia to talk about our reading log for older kids.
Thanks, Miss Margaret. Here's the summer reading log for older kids. You can pick up one of these the next time you're in the library. It's also on our website if you would rather print it at home. Here's how it works. For every 15 minutes that you read, color in one of these bricks. When you filled in the whole 1 hour scaffolding, great job! Flip the log over and fill in one of the read for 1 hour piles. There's also some really fun activities to try this summer, like make a living room fort or take a walk and look for animal homes, and so many more. Reading and doing activities will earn you raffle tickets that can be used towards drawings for some really awesome prizes. Here's Miss Katie to show you how to use the online log and get those raffle tickets.
Thanks, Miss Lydia. It's Miss Katie here to tell you about how you can participate in the summer reading program online using this year's digital reading log, where we'll need your help making room to rebuild.
Complete the activities on each brick to knock them out of the old wall. And shatter one pane after every 15 minutes of reading. You can repair the bricks and panes that you break on accident or just for fun by clicking on the empty space. You'll earn 1 raffle flag for each hour you read and 1 for every 3 activities that you complete. When you complete the program and knock down the whole wall, you will also be awarded with a voucher for 1 free book at your next visit to the library. And the total 8 raffle flags that you can earn throughout the program can be distributed to your selection of raffle baskets that are available on display in the lunch truck. Once the program starts, you'll be able to access the online log by asking a parent or guardian to register you at lplibrary.org/reading.
And now here's Miss Christina with the program highlights.
Thanks, Katie. Hi, everyone. It's Miss Christina with some information for you about our programs. We're so excited because we have so many fun things planned for you this summer. We've got our weekly baby and toddler story time and preschool story times, along with our monthly sensory, bilingual Spanish, and family story times. We'll be offering our awesome monthly Take and Make craft kits, STEM challenges, an instrument making workshop, and Read to the Librarian. There will also be a scavenger hunt around town with video clues and the chance for you to make your very own chalk drawings. Be sure to check the library event calendar for up-to-date listings, details, and registration when required. And also follow us on social media for fun posts and reminders about upcoming events.
Thanks for watching, everyone. Visit our website at lplibrary.org for all the information. See you this summer.